Everyone, welcome to Flavors and Fragrance recipes. So today I'm going to make Kakadi Tavsule, which is a cucumber dosa, and this is a GSB dish. And my mom used to make this when I was a kid, and this used to be a regular feature for breakfast. It's very easy, simple recipe, and instant recipe. So let's see what we are going to take. So I've taken a bowl now and I'm going to put in 1 cup of cucumber in it, and for 1 cup cucumber I have taken 1 or 2 green chilies. This you can put as per your taste, how much spicy you want. So chopped green chilies. I am also going to put chana dal, soaked chana dal. This is optional. Then after this we are going to put 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 2 to 4 actually. It depends on how much binding we want. This will basically make our dosa crispy also, and it will also help in binding. And this is 1 cup of semolina, that is rawa. I have taken superfine rawa, that is chiroti rawa. And we are going to add now salt as per taste. And we are also going to add some water. And then we are going to mix this. It should be like our dosa batter. So let's mix this. So this is the consistency we are going to keep. And since it is chiroti rawa, superfine rawa, it's going to mix and blend very fast. So this is how it's looking. I'll just show you with a spoon. So this is how it's looking. This is the consistency. Okay, now let's start making our Kakadi Tavsule on tawa. Okay, so I've taken my dosa tawa and now I'm going to put my first cucumber dosa. So let's do it. Right now the gas is on slow and I have not increased the flame yet. My tawa is becoming hot and now I'm going to increase my flame a little bit. And I'm going to spread it. Now this kind of a dosa is not very thin, it's medium thin, but I'll try to put as much as thin as I can. It's a very tasty dosa, simple quick recipe for if you're hungry, especially kids when they tell you that they are hungry and you don't know what to make. Very healthy also. And also one more thing in this recipe, you can also put along with water, if you want, you can also put yogurt, dahi, around 2 to 3 tablespoons. Now I'm going to drizzle some oil. My flame is on high and now we are just going to cook this Kakadi Tavsule, and then you can eat this with ketchup or green chutney. I prefer it with green chutney. So let's cook this now till one side is nicely done. Okay, so this is how it's looking and I'm going to still cook it because as you can see in the video, it's still not crispy from down. So I'm going to slowly flip it, let it cook on one side still. Don't try to break it, and even if it breaks it's okay because we can easily join it. That's the reason why I have taken semolina, which is super fine. And do try this recipe in your kitchen and let me know if you like it. Some people also put coconut. I don't like it. We never put in our house, so I don't know how it tastes, but generally Mangalore side people, you know, they will put 1/4 cup or 1 cup of coconut along with all the other ingredients that I have already used. So it's a GSB recipe, very tasty, yummy. Eat it with green coconut chutney, and it's quite filling also. It has got good amount of rawa and cucumber, green chilies, so it's quite filling. So let me just try to flip it over. It's still not the way I want, but let's try slowly and use a non-stick tawa, okay, while making. Yeah, so this is how it's going to look, and I'm going to make it more crispy on both the side, and then we are going to serve hot. If you like my channel and if you like all these recipes, please do subscribe to my channel. Share these recipes with your loved ones, with your family, friends. I'll try to come as regular as I can. Right now I'm not able to come because my son is in 10th grade, so I'm a bit busy with him, but still I'll definitely come because I have to share many such interesting recipes with you guys. And please try this recipe in your kitchen and let me know in the comments if you like it, and also let me know what recipes you want me to make. I'll make even those recipes. And even if your dosa is breaking, don't worry, you don't need to be very perfect. Sometimes this kind of dosa can break because it's very delicate. Okay, so I flipped it very carefully, and now this is the crispy way I want. And that's it, we can serve. It's so quick recipe. So please try in your kitchen and let me know if you like it. Until next time, it's bye bye from Deepali Flavors and Fragrance, home cooking made with love.